What is up, you guys? It's your boy Childish Cavino back again, another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, and I actually have a reason this time. The reason why I haven't been posting a lot is because what I use to record, aka my phone, it's fucked up, right? So yeah, my phone's fucked up. The only way I can use it is by charging, and as you can see, I'm charging my motherfucking phone right now as we speak. So like, the only way I can use this phone is by charging it. It's fucked up. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show the 500 blushes, Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I already seen this is not my first time looking into it, but this is why I always open the shoebox before I start a video. let me get this. I'm gonna do this with finesse because of y'all. For y'all. Bitch, open up. Open the fuck up. All right, that was cringy as shit. I'm sorry for that, y'all. Y'all not hear that, y'all not see that, but you know what? Let me put the phone down for 1 second. I'm sorry for this, y'all. All right, boom, look, first try. Anyways, well, here's the standard box, 500, whatever, blah, blah, blah. This is a size 11.5, and yeah, let's take out a shoe, shall we? Bam. The blushes, okay? So let's talk about this damn shoe, okay? This is obviously a Yeezy, you know what I'm saying? It's a Yeezy. It's in a nice tan colorway, It's actually comfy, surprisingly. Even though there's no boost material, it's still a comfy shoe. But do I personally like this shoe? Let me keep it real with you, Chief. I'm gonna be for real with you, Chief. These shoes in person are fucking ugly. I'm sorry, I don't want to disrespect. I cannot, I'm a hype beast sometimes, but this shoe, just looking at it like this, they're fucking ugly. I'm sorry. I love Kanye West. I love Yeezy. Okay, don't get me wrong. I love you, Mr. West. If you ever watch this video, which I highly doubt, but if you do watch this video ever, just know that I love you. But these shoes, what the fuck are these, bro? I'm sorry. These are a fat fucking disappointment. Because okay, I need to chill out. Okay, these shoes are not the ugliest shoes I've ever seen, and these are shoes that I might be able to wear one day when I get older. This is something I wouldn't really wear as of right now, but if I was around my 30s, I would probably be wearing this shit. That's not a bad thing. These shoes, they're ugly, but they're not as ugly to the point where I can ever see myself wearing them. You know what I mean? They're in a way, they're freakishly ugly but nice, you know what I'm saying? They're some weird alien type shoe, this is the type of shit you would see on Alien vs Predator or some shit. They be rocking this hoe. This shit itself looks like a fucking moon rock or something like that. Damn, what the fuck is this shit? Nah, not a fucking moon rock, by the way. This is more like a I don't know, some type of bullshit ass alien capsule type shit, or a fucking spaceship, you know what I'm saying? Zoom zoom, bitch. But anyways, this is pretty much the whole shoe. Just I'm gonna give you a 360 view of it. Let me slow my eyes down. Okay, and then here, and then here's the bottoms. Okay, this shoe, other than the fact that it's comfy, I don't really know what else I can say about it. There's nothing special about this shoe. I love you, Kanye. I love, okay, no offense, but Yeezy Wave is dead. Yeezy Wave is dead. Everybody in the whole world knows that Yeezy Wave is dead. It's nothing that fucking Kanye has been dropping has been flipping for a shitload anymore. It used to be crazy. Everything that Kanye even dropped or even touched became a pot of gold. But this shit right here is a fucking brick. You literally cannot sell this for more than let's say maximum, let's say $40-50 profit. Okay, it's a brick. It's literally a brick now, which is disappointing. And I don't know what to tell y'all. This shoe, maybe when the other colorways come out, it'll do a lot better, but as of right now, these shoes are bricks. They're just disappointing. But anyways, I did not mean to go off on these shoes, y'all. I don't mean to disrespect Kanye or anybody, but these shoes is just, it's also, not only is it kind of ugly, no offense, it's impossibly hard to rock. I have one friend who fucking wears clothes. I would say he's a fairly decent dresser, and he can't even figure out how the fuck to wear these. So how the fuck am I supposed to figure this shit out? Damn. But anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Just Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. What do you think about these damn shoes? Is this hyped up, or is this like fucking? Is this something you would actually see yourself wearing? Like, be for real with me, because I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, Chief. I am probably never gonna wear these fucking shoes, but I'm not gonna say I cannot talk right now. But anyways, pretty much what I'm trying to say is, I'm not sure if I'll ever wear these, but if I do, just know it's probably because they bricked, even though they already bricks. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you have a good day. Leave it in the comment section. What do y'all think about these shoes? Peace the fuck out.